Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Schedule E entries in TurboTax using lease data. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open TurboTax on your computer. Navigate to the business section in the main menu. Select rental properties and royalties. Locate the Schedule E form in your list of tax documents. Click on Start or Edit next to the rental property you want to restore. If you have previously entered lease data, look for the option to import or restore this information. Choose the import function to bring in your lease data from an external source if applicable. Follow the prompts to locate your lease data file on your device. If you do not have a file, you'll need to manually re-enter the lease details. Input property information, which includes the address and type of rental. Enter the rental income you received for the property. Next, input the expenses related to your rental property. This may include mortgage interest, property tax, repairs, and management fees. Make sure you double-check each entry for accuracy. After entering all data, review your Schedule E summary for completeness. Ensure all calculations align with your lease data. Once everything looks good, proceed to save your changes. Finally, complete the rest of your TurboTax filing process. Stay organized and ensure all documentation is kept for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.